So one of the major things that we want to achieve is to get at least 500 students, entrepreneurs aware of the Cardano ecosystem. So we want to do it in a way that is foreign. I know most of you are conversant with Shark Tanks. So that is what we want to achieve, to be able to get these young people on board, because as it is right now, young people such as myself, we get so absorbed with creativity, stuff like that. So we want to put in this creativity in the Cardano ecosystem to tell them that, Cardano is not just boring and, just come and do some, whatever it is, but it's something that you can also be creative and also get whatever you want to do get done. So our aim is to get at least 5,000 students, entrepreneurs aware of the Cardano ecosystem. We'll get like 1,000 students applications submitted. Our viewership rate is 10,000 to 100,000, and also to onboard actively 50 to 150 students per show. So because we feel that if we have this type of thingy where we actually get people on board, so we're only just tell them that, okay, come, we'll have a national TV thingy that you can come and showcase your talent or your innovations and all. We're also going to be inducting them into the Cardano ecosystem. So then they're just coming into the Cardano system just to get ADA and get rich quick scheming. So they are coming in with the understanding of the chain behind the Cardano ecosystem. So we're not just going to be having like 1 million adoption and then in the next 2 to 3 months or years go down, and then you start seeing a decline because these people do not fully understand the vision of the Cardano ecosystem. So with this, we're going to be having people who are fully integrated, who know what Cardano is and be able to, onboard. And also it's going to help a whole lot of people to achieve their dreams, and it's also going to increase economic growth majorly in Africa.
Looks like S is frozen for a bit.
Africa, which is going to be giving more people job opportunity. Is anybody saying anything?
Yeah, now it's okay. I'm sorry, you just got frozen for about 5 seconds.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much for that. So I was saying that this is actually a platform that is going to help thousands of people, of young people, and it's going to positively help with economic growth. So this is just beyond getting people onboarded. This is also going to be affecting people's life in a positive way.